Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. In this video, we'll explain how to set up international shipping on your Shopify store so that you can ship products to customers around the world. Let's break down the process clearly and step by step. Start by logging into your Shopify admin. Once you're in, go to the Settings tab located in the lower left corner of the screen. From there, click on Shipping and Delivery. This section is where you can manage all your shipping settings, including rates and shipping zones. In the Shipping section, click on Manage Rates to open up the Shipping Rates Setup page. To add international shipping, click on the Create Shipping Zone button. Here, you can select the countries or regions you want to ship to. You can either choose specific countries or select a region like Europe or North America, depending on which areas you want to cover. Next, you'll need to set shipping rates for these international zones. Shopify offers two options: manual rates and carrier calculated rates. If you choose manual rates, you can set a fixed shipping price for each country or region. For example, you can offer a flat rate for international orders, or base the shipping cost on the weight of the items being shipped. On the other hand, if you prefer carrier calculated rates, Shopify will automatically calculate the shipping cost in real time by using services from major carriers like UPS, FedEx, or DHL based on the destination. Once you've added the shipping rates, you'll need to ensure that your checkout process supports international customers. To do this, go to Settings again and click on General. Check that your store's currency is set to your preferred option. And you can also enable multi-currency if you want customers to pay in their own currency. If you're using Shopify Payments, this feature will allow customers to view prices and pay in their local currency at checkout. Finally, make sure your tax settings are configured correctly for international sales. Go to the Shipping and Delivery section, click on Tax, and set up tax rates for the different countries or regions you are shipping to. Shopify can automatically calculate taxes based on the customer's location, which is essential for handling international transactions. Once you've set everything up, click Save, and your international shipping setup is complete. Now your Shopify store is ready to handle international orders. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.